Cape Town, South Africa, is a place of contradictions, where the urban buzz meets the raw beauty of nature. The iconic Table Mountain watches over the city, a constant reminder of the rugged wilderness that lies just beyond the bustling streets. From the vibrant, colorful neighborhoods of Bo-Kaap to the stunning beaches of Camps Bay, Cape Town is a city that demands to be explored. But beyond the bright lights and bustling markets lies a deep history, steeped in the legacy of apartheid and a struggle for freedom. Join me as we discover the many facets of Cape Town, a city that never fails to surprise and inspire. So come, join me and let's witness the magic of Cape Town's sunsets together. All the way from Nashville, Tennessee to come here to Cape Town to catch the perfect sunset here. I've asked all the locals, all the tourists, they said this is it. If you're gonna come to Cape Town and you wanna see the perfect sunset, this is where you come. I'm going that way, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's fine.
Thank you so much. 5 stars. All right, let's go get it. Guys, we gotta go catch the sunset. We got like 3 minutes left. We gotta catch this perfect sunset. Let's do it. Guys, there it is. Ooh, I made it. So you guys know the show is about chasing sunsets. And literally, I ran up this mountain. Well, I didn't run up. I had a cab driver, but all the traffic, so I had to go through everything. Oh my God, look at this. Freaking amazing. Absolutely epic. This is what we all signed up for. Come on. The perfect weather only added to the beauty, making it an unforgettable experience and one of the best sunsets I've ever seen. Guys, this is the epitome of this trip. This is why I came. Words can't even express how beautiful it was. I couldn't ask for a better day. The warm colors, the breathtaking views, and the magical atmosphere made it one of the best sunsets I've ever experienced. And the first of many here in Cape Town. Seriously, you know, in all my travels, this could be it. This could be the best, perfect sunset of my life. And so I'm gonna set the camera down now and just enjoy the last moments. I got a beer in honor of Carl Watson, because he likes to, and he is right. Like, there's nothing better than having a nice cool beer and enjoying the sunset. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put the camera down and enjoy this moment. Life is short. You gotta go out there and go get it. You know, we don't have a limited time on this earth. This is only the beginning. Cape Town, South Africa. I'll be spending the next couple of days being a tourist here in Cape Town. I joined up with a tour group to see the Cape of Good Hope, Simonstown and the Penguins, and Table Mountain, making new friends along the way and catching that perfect sunset. Let's go! Tonight. All right, we did it. We are here at the most southernest part of Africa, the Cape of Good Hope. Lots of history here. We're here for our Instagram photo. The Cape of Good Hope gets its name because it opened up the possibility of establishing trade with India and the Far East. Fun fact, the Cape of Good Hope is not the southernmost point of Africa. While many people believe that it is, the southernmost point of the African continent is actually Cape Agulhas, which is located about 150 miles southeast of the Cape of Good Hope. Fun fact number 2. The Cape of Good Hope is also known as Cape of Storms because of its dangerous weather conditions. Strong winds and high waves make it challenging to navigate, and many ships have been wrecked along the coast over the centuries. Alright, right now we are at the Lighthouse at the Cape of Good Hope. So we got lots to see. The Cape of Good Hope Lighthouse is the oldest operating lighthouse in South Africa. It is 238 meters above sea level. Look at that lizard. And these birds. Next stop, Boulders Bay in Simonstown to see the penguins. Alright, so now we're going to go see penguins. They call them jackass penguins because they sound like donkeys when they squawk, but they call jackass penguins. I'll Google that and verify that, but yeah, let's go look at some jackass penguins. Yep, it's true. African penguins are also known as jackass penguins due to their braying call that sounds just like a donkey. Boulders Beach is famous for its colony of African penguins, which visitors can observe up close in their natural habitat. The penguins mate for life and are not afraid of humans, making for a unique and fun experience. Additionally, the beach is a popular spot for surfing and swimming. Hey look, a baboon! We spent the day driving up the coast, stopping in local neighborhoods and markets, and just learning about the culture. This is Chapman Bay. Check it out. Next stop, Tabletop Mountain. Table Mountain is one of the oldest mountains in the world. With an estimated age of 260 million years, it is older than the Andes, the Alps, and the Himalayas. It is also home to a diverse range of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. Table Mountain has a unique cloud formation that is known as the tablecloth. The cloud looks like a tablecloth draped over the mountain, hence the name. The tablecloth can appear and disappear in a matter of minutes, making it a spectacular sight to behold. We're at the famous Table Mountain, the grand finale of the tour. This is Luke, our tour guide. Very informative. You gotta come see him. What's the name of the company?
Simba Beyond.
Simba Beyond Tours. Great tour guide. Very knowledgeable. Got a big voice. Lots of energy. Table Mountain. There we go. Oh no! So we got here too late. Wind. They had to shut down the cable cars coming up, only going down. So kind of got screwed a little bit. We might have to come back another day. Looks like we got lucky. They're opening it back up. Now there's no line because everybody left, and so we stayed. We got lucky. So we did it. We made it. We weren't originally going to make it, and a lot of people left. We stuck around. We waited. So now we're here. They let us back in, and we're about to head up to see Table Mountain. And hopefully nobody's up there now, and we're gonna have the whole place to ourselves. Don't get too excited. Don't get excited till we're up there. Yeah. There's something about traveling that just brings out the kid in all of us. Sticking your hand out the window and the wind in your hair. It's like I'm a kid all over again. Can't believe it. I'm here, Tabletop Mountain. Ta-da! What's up, guys? We are on the top of Table Mountain. Look at this view. Oh, it's misty right now, but we got very lucky. It was actually, they originally closed it down because it was very windy, but we got lucky and got up here. Hopefully we can get down, but the cool thing about it is that there's nobody here. It's just us. So just enjoying the day. This is the top of Table Mountain. Definitely a bucket list that has been checked. Let's go. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is part of the Cape Floral region, one of the most biodiverse areas on the planet. You know what's cooler than a regular mountain? A mountain with fossils. That's right. Tabletop Mountain is home to ancient sea creatures that have been preserved in the rock formations for millions of years. Any last words? Any last words? The world below opens up and reveals a stunning tapestry of culture, flavor, and adventure waiting to be explored. Table Mountain! Well, here we are, Table Mountain, top of it. Mist everywhere, can't really see, but we did get the whole place to ourselves, kind of, because a lot of people had to leave because they thought they were going to close it down, but they ended up opening it back up. So here we are. What makes Tabletop Mountain so unique is its flat top, towering over 1,086 meters high. Life is a precious gift, and in its brevity lies a poignant reminder to pursue our dreams with passion and purpose. Bo-Kaap is a vibrant neighborhood located in Cape Town, South Africa. It is known for its colorful houses and rich cultural heritage.
No problem with no one. Non-interference, non-political.
The origins of the colorful houses are not entirely clear, but it is believed that the tradition began in the 19th century when the area was inhabited by freed slaves who were finally allowed to buy their own homes. Since then, the residents have continued to paint their homes in a variety of bright colors, which have become a symbol of the neighborhood. Right now, we're on the famous street of Bo-Kaap.
These little hands and simple fingers that I have, they were not made to pinch nor tear, you hear, but to move in deeds of kindness, you see, and to fall in thoughts of prayer to help my brother pray for the betterment of his life, yeah. Oh yeah. It's better to have a friend than to need one. It's better to find a friend than to be in need. Lift up your brother. Don't you put him.
Right now I'm at the District 6 museum, and it talks about the segregation, all the things that they had to go through, and it still lingers on today. It's very interesting. The District 6 Museum is located in Cape Town and was established in 1994. The museum is dedicated to preserving the memory and history of the former District 6, a vibrant, multiracial community that was forcibly removed from their homes during the apartheid era. The District 6 Museum is dedicated to the 60,000 people that were forced to be evicted from the district. So it's how they were just forcibly moved and everything, but lots of history, lots of memories that still live on here. The museum features a permanent exhibition that showcases the history and culture of District 6 before, during, and after the forced removals. The museum's mission is to promote reconciliation, healing, and self-cohesion by raising awareness of the legacy of apartheid and the importance of preserving cultural diversity. The District 6 Museum is recognized as one of the most important cultural institutions in South Africa and has played a key role in promoting reconciliation and social justice in the country. Lots of history in South Africa that is deeply rooted in slavery. It's tough to watch, but it is part of history, and it's very educational and makes you appreciate everything that you have. In the next episode, join me as I embark on an exciting hike up Lion's Head to experience breathtaking views from the summit. We'll also go on a safari to spot the Big Five and take in the beautiful scenery of Camps Bay. Don't miss the chance to visit Aziko Museum and catch one last sunset at Rock Point before bidding farewell to Cape Town.